Here's what you need to know about the Wuhan coronavirus. In December 2019, a new strain of coronavirus emerged from a fish and animal market in Wuhan, allegedly from contact with snakes like the Chinese crate. Chinese authorities have now locked down the region, banned all trade in wildlife, and restricted travel for close to 60 million people. Coronaviruses are a common type of virus. They affect millions of people every year, causing illnesses like the common cold, as well as more severe illnesses like MERS and SARS. But they all typically have similar symptoms, including fever, pneumonia, and breathing difficulties. The Wuhan virus has spread quickly, but most of the deaths have been in older patients with pre-existing conditions. A big problem with this new virus is that we don't know how long it takes for symptoms to appear. That means people who have been infected have started to travel around the world and won't feel the symptoms until they arrive. But the World Health Organization says it's not yet a global emergency. Experts say the Wuhan coronavirus may not be as deadly as other types, like SARS, which killed nearly 800 people worldwide, and MERS, which killed 1/3 of the people it infected. Like the common cold, there is no cure for coronavirus other than supporting patients until they recover. And vaccines could take up to a year to complete.